Hi guys, this is Rals from Inside Jungle and welcome to another video from my calamansi series. I'm gonna show you today the easiest way to plant citrus seeds and also the perfect size for the pot you're gonna use for your citrus seeds. First of all, let's start with the pot. I'm gonna use for this video a Danonino yogurt pot. This is baby yogurt, the smallest size I could find on the market. And here in my country we have the Danonino brand, which is a very cute dino right over here. Now my very first citrus seedlings that growing through a 4 and 5 year old tree were planted back in the high school, and I used this size. I'll never forget, it was still the same brand, Danonino, and this is where I first planted the seeds. I grew them for a while over here, and only when the roots started coming out from the pot, then I repotted them. Now, many of you, I don't want to give names, I don't want to give links to videos, but I've seen a lot of people putting seeds into large, very large pots. Why? You're only going to develop the roots and the roots and more the roots, and then the plant is going to stay tiny on the top. We don't want that. We want the plant to grow to its fullest length, and not only to develop strong roots, right? Unless you're growing plants only or trees only for the roots, and then you're gonna take them out and do some, I don't know, aquascaping with roots inside an aquarium, yeah? So when the plant is gonna reach 3 times like this, 3 times the length of its own pot, then it's the time to repot it, right? Imagine this is the plant, yeah? This is the plant and this is the pot. So when your plant, your seedling, your tree, it's gonna be this tall, then you can change the pot, yeah? So once again, 1, 2, 3, yeah? The same size of the pot multiplied by 3. That's when you are gonna repot it. Now when you repot it into a larger pot, don't come up with, let me see if I have nearby something. Don't come up with this big pot, okay? This is too big, way too big. So if you want to make the crossing from this pot to this one, I'm definitely not recommending it. It's way too big. Maybe you can tap it up to something wider like this, but I still don't recommend this tall. Let me see without destroying my seedling over here. Okay, I would even look for a smaller plastic cup, and from this size I would go to something similar to this, yeah? A plastic cup like this. Not too deep, not too wide, because you're only going to develop the root system and not the upper part, yeah? So this is one of the #1 rules when growing citrus seeds. So now that we have made a mess over here, but we figured out what's the best size for starting a seedling and the best repotting time and size of the pot, let's move onwards. I have seen many people making videos and struggling with the planting of citrus seeds. Now, I don't want to say that those methods are wrong. I'm just saying that for me, they are complicated. If you want to play, go ahead and play it. If you don't want to play, if you just want citrus to come out of your seeds, the easiest way, the less messiest way, just take the fruit, keep it in the fridge. I think it was 2 weeks in the fridge, yeah? and then take out the seeds. As you can see, I'm holding the phone with one hand. Peel it off, take out the seeds from it, put it into the pot, cover the pot with some wrap, plastic wrap, put it in a sunny windowsill and wait. That's all. You don't have to pack it in damp towels, paper tissues, put it in the fridge, monitor that it's not too dry, not too wet, and so on. Just keep the fruit itself into the fridge. As you can see, we have here at least one seed. This is how the calamansi fruit looks like. Oh my god, it smells divine. This is why I love this type of citrus so much. The taste is not as divine, it's full of vitamin C. It's very interesting taste. But if you let the fruit ripen enough, you can eat it. Look how tiny they are so cute. I can't wait for my seedlings to become trees and to give fruits. I cannot wait. I cannot tell you how I would like to fast forward 3 years and see some flowers and see some fruit on my trees. You can already see the seeds nice and clear. You're gonna have to remove them from the pulp. You're gonna have to wash them. We don't want any orange cells, calamansi cells to be next to your seed because they might create some fungus, some rot. So we want to wash the seeds, and then I'm gonna show you in just a moment how deep to plant them. Yeah, these are gonna be my pots. Nothing more, nothing less than that.